Okay, boys and girls, I want everyone to grab their pencil. If you've already folded your paper horizontally, remember you're going to fold it in half. Now you're going to fold it in half again. And we are drawing horizontally today, so our paper is oriented horizontally. Okay, let's get started with grab your pencils, boys and girls. I'm using a marker so you can see my drawing a little bit better since pencil isn't so viewable on camera. And you're going to start with an oval shape for his head, okay? Give me an oval shape. Okay, we're going to do 2 small ears on the side. So 2 small ears. Don't forget, you can pause and play this video whenever you need to. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to do a big oval body. Big oval body. Doesn't have to be super symmetrical, guys. Just follow along with me and we're going to draw a gorilla. Okay, let's keep going with the arms. Don't forget, again, pause and play when you need to if you're following along with me online. Otherwise, let's keep going. Okay, give me an arm. And I'm going to leave a space at the bottom for his fingers, okay? So a curved line down for his shoulder and his arm. And then the same thing right here. A little curve. Again. And then a little curve for his arm. Okay, let's go ahead and add legs. And I'm going to give him super bowed legs because I feel like gorillas have big legs. Also reminds me of a cowboy. Cowboy drawing. Okay. Now we're going to add the face. So we're going to do 2 curves at the top. Curve, curve. I'm gonna just do 2 eyes that are a little bit long. Nostrils. A smile. Don't forget you can pause and play whenever you need to. And then 2 curved lines on the side. I'm also going to add some pecs because gorillas are very strong. And then we're going to move on to the fingers and toes. So the fingers and toes, don't overthink it. Okay, just think little curved W's. Okay, little curve. Okay, don't overthink it. Fingers can actually be really hard to draw, but we're not going to overthink it. Okay. And our gorilla's done. Now I want you guys to fill in your background. Okay, boys and girls, think of the setting. They're in the jungle. They are surrounded by beautiful trees and nature. Where do you want your gorilla to be? So I want you to fill in the background and add to your drawing. And if you need my help, please raise your hand, boys and girls. Those of you following along with me online, don't forget to like and subscribe.